you can see something like it is that is we have just opened or we use the specific node.js in order to write the code. If I show you the output and if we go to the browser, we will see something like how it actually looks like. So this is what called emotion driven instrument control. It is what actually doing is it is just after clicking start button, it is going to transcribe, and the detected emotion will make these electrical machines to work. And how this is going to work, let's see. And what is the main purpose of mine behind doing this, I will also tell that also. So if I do that, when I just press the start button, then you might not going to heard my voice because it is going to be heard to the mobile or microphone so that it can just transcribe the words. So I'm going to click. So I'm sure you are going to see that is joy emotion is shown, and the bulb as well as fan and generator all are just started to move, and they are running with some speed I didn't mention, but you can see what is the current is being supplied to them. And actually what is the main agenda of mine to show you about this thing is the emotion is controlled, emotion is detected, and it emotion is being controlled by the electrical appliances is going to be controlled by emotions of our. It is the it is might be very useful. And you can see something like if I change the emotion, if you want to see something more, so let's do another emotion to be detected. See, you can say something, you can see like the emotion detected is fear, and the bulb is something more bright, and fan and generator speed increases. Why increases? Because current also increases. I know that these current value is very high. It is just for explaining purpose, and it's not actually. So when amperage means fan current, what is the current is flowing through fan, what is the current flowing through generator and through bulb. So as the current increases, speed also increases, glow also increases. And why the current increases in case of the fear emotion than joy? Because it is just scientifically proven that when we are fear, then there is high energy in our, if we compare to that of the joy. If we just try for another emotion, that is the last one, let's take that also. uh, तेरे को मारेंगे. Say you can say something like the emotion detection is anger, and the bulb also just glows very frequently, and their speed also increases. What is the reason behind that? Because the current is increased, all the current through them is increases. And why the current increases? Because I just programmed them in such a way that whenever the anger emotion detected, current increases. Anger is directly proportional to current. So that's the thing which I just use. Why I'm used? In order to show you the relationship between human emotions and machine. Actually it is just a metaphoric metaphoric relation. Actually this is not the relation. I just use it in order to you people to be explained easily. So that's all about the detected emotion, and about the current and the relationship in between the emotion and electrical machines. If see one more thing, if I just use the if I show the same anger emotion consequently, means about 2 times in the row, then see what will happen. I am going to use the anger emotion again. See, I just again use the, I can just say the word which is full of anger, and what happened? If the anger detection is 2 times and more, consequently, what does it mean? Consequently, you can say, or you can say consecutively, means लगातार आप कह सकते हैं. If it is like that, then what we are going to see? Then we are going to see this. What is this showing? This is showing something like all instrument blasted. I just use this word actually because of the current. If current grows very high, not the blasted is not the right word. As an electrical engineer, I can say something like, but still I just use this word in order to you people so to understand very easily. So that's all about the thing. So what does the meaning matlab what we have just did something like we just collab, or you can say something like we just link emotion detection with the electrical instrument, you can say. And what might be the reason behind that? The reason is very simple, that our emotion detection is gonna control the electrical devices. What does that mean? Electrical devices are being controlled by our emotions. And what is the beneficial of that? Beneficial is something like there are two things, there are two reasons behind that. The first reason is it is metaphorically. I just do this in order to have some metaphoric relation in between them. And the next reason is something like if the emotion we are going to just show is very frequent and might be dangerous for us, if this condition is going to arise, then these machines are going to just work and just make us remember about the thing, that our emotion is really a very dangerous and intense for anyone else.